In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Slack notification sound. If you're like many of us, spending a significant amount of time communicating on Slack, you might find the default notification sound becoming a little tiresome. Fortunately, Slack allows you to change it to something that suits your preference or helps you distinguish it from other notification sounds you hear throughout the day. I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to customize these sounds. First, you need to ensure that you're logged into your Slack account on your desktop. This procedure can't be done on the mobile app, so make sure you do this on either your laptop or desktop computer. Once you're logged in, take a look at the upper left corner of your Slack interface. You'll see your workspace name right there. Click on it to bring up a menu of options. From this dropdown, find and click on Preferences. This is where you'll find all sorts of settings you can tweak to perfect your Slack experience. After you click on Preferences, a new window will appear. This window is essentially your control center for notifying settings, personalization, and all that good stuff. Now you should see a menu on the left side. Look for and select the Notifications tab. This tab is going to be your main area for any and all notifications settings. Once in the Notifications tab, you'll need to scroll down a bit to discover the Sound and Appearance section. This section houses the settings where you can specifically adjust what you're here for today. The notification sound. Here, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Notification Sound. Go ahead and click on this drop-down to view the available audio options Slack has provided. Feel free to test these options. You can click each one to hear a sample and decide which one resonates with you the most. After you've sampled the available sounds and chosen one that suits your preferences, simply select it. And that's it. Your selection will automatically save, and your new notification sound is ready to go. If you ever wish to change your sound again in the future, remember that you can follow these steps to access this setting anytime. This customization can make a world of difference in not only notification management, but also in personalizing your workspace to better fit your environment or mood. Being able to distinguish your Slack notifications will help you stay focused and organized, and might even bring a little bit of extra joy to your busy day. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of your Slack experience. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tips. Happy Slacking!